Ladies and gentlemen, this is one of those videos where we are in the heat of the moment. Watches and Modders 2025 has just started and Tag have unveiled this unbelievable stand. But first, what are you wearing? Because I am wearing the watch that many of us were hoping for. The relaunched Formula One with a new solargraph movement. What do you think of this watch? Personally, I'm loving that they brought it back in a non-limited version. I'm loving the colorways, and frankly, as a Sundowner creator, I love the solargraph. So I'm happy about this watch. I'm happy that it's back. But the bigger news and the bigger back is that Tag Heuer claims that it's back. We have proof now. If you're a Formula One fan, I'm a new fan. To be honest, I'm a new convert to Formula One. This is a shrine of your wildest dreams if you love this sport. We have Ayrton Senna on one side, referencing that amazing Don't Crack Under Pressure campaign, the black and white one from my childhood. We have Ayrton Senna's actual car. When we walked past this, I said, that is an amazing replica. It's the actual car bought for $15 million. On this side, we have Max, steely-eyed Max Verstappen. I love the guy. I know he's divisive. I know that many find him robotic and mercenary and ruthless. I find him inspiring. And this is his actual race car. Again, not a replica. You probably want to get inside. I need to show you how this truly delivers on being a shrine for Formula One and a sign of a fully revamped, souped up Tag Heuer that is taking on a difficult time in the watch industry and just accelerating out of it. Let's go inside. This is where the action begins. This is truly a shrine to the history of Formula One and Tag Heuer, but it starts in the future. This box right here is the official Louis Vuitton cabinet holding the trophy for the Tag Heuer Monaco Formula One 2025. So let's ask you another question. Who's going to hold up the Monaco trophy this year? Tell me in the comments below. I'm saying it's Max. It's going to be Max. This is a 5-year era where the engine of the car was actually branded with Tag. That was 83 to 87 in McLaren cars. Here we have Ayrton Senna's race suit and helmet, Mika Häkkinen's helmet. This is the Tag Heuer Monaco Rattrapant, which is 155,000 Swiss francs. A very complex movement and a watch that we have seen on Max's wrist. Every time he wins a championship, they add a star to the dial. This watch is made to order, so if you want one, you're gonna have to call Tag Heuer and make it happen. Over here we have a bar, and there's only one drink on the menu. It's champagne. And if I was gonna end this video in the right style, I would uncork one and I'd pour it all over myself, but we're not gonna do that. Lastly, a simulator over here. I was gonna challenge Zach to a race, but that would be unfair because I would lose. Tag Heuer is back. This is the proof of it. A quick little booth video to give you a blast of the new Tag Heuer energy. It is a fresh energy in this hall where a lot of brands like Rolex across the hall have left everything the same. Tag has come back with a brand new vision. I'm pumped. What do you think? Are you getting on board? Thanks for joining me. See you soon.